And so here Allah Azza wa Jal then goes on to mention the example of Ibrahim, and that is what occurred with him. That there was a disavowal on the basis of animosity. They tried to kill him. And so what is it that Ibrahim said? Inna bura'a minkum. We are free of you and that which you worship besides Allah. Kafarna bikum wa bada baynana wa baynakum al-adawa wal-baghda. We have rejected you, and there has now occurred between us and you enmity and hatred. Hatta tu'minu billahi wahda. Until you believe in Allah alone. And he tried to kill him, put him in a fire, and he tried to destroy him. And so here Allah Azza wa Jal brings this example with Ibrahim and that which occurred with the believers. There is also a benefit in the verse, ikhwan, and that is in relation to a common statement that we hear the people saying when they speak about the position, the correct position of Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah, the correct Salafi position in relation to that stance that they take with the people of innovation and bid'ah and dalala, from them having or establishing the affair of al-hajar and disavowal and boycotting. They say that this goes against wisdom, because wisdom is to deal with them nicely. Just hate the action, don't have a hatred for the person. Have disavowal for the action, don't have disavowal for the person. Common statement. What did Allah Azza wa Jal say? You have a uswa hasana with Ibrahim and those who are with him. What was it that they said? إِذْ قَالُوا لِقَوْمِهِمْ إِنَّا بُرَآءُ مِنْكُمْ أولا ثانيا وَمِمَّا تَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ. That we are free of you and from you and from that which you worship besides Allah. And so they could have just said, we have an issue with that which you worship besides Allah, but we love you. إِنَّا بُرَآءُ مِنْكُمْ وَمِمَّا تَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ.